few days ago, I saw that there was a super long queue outside of a shop. I thought that maybe they're waiting for the boo-boos or something like that. And then I got a leaflet, see here. They were buying gold. Is it time to make a shitload of money out of gold? Let's check it out. Do you want to make 100% profit in 1 year? Gold went up 70% last year, and I believe that it's going to go up more than 100% this year. If you want to make the profit, leave in comments below, type FU. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Eric. I've been investing for more than 22 years in all sorts of instruments. Physical gold, physical silver, watches, mutual funds, bonds, ETFs, warrants, options, you name it. In this channel, I'm to share with you my analysis for free about investment opportunities from an alternative point of view. Subscribe now so that you're not going to miss out. I'm going to answer 3 questions in this video. Number 1, why did gold price went bonker up 70% last year? And why do I think that we can make 100% profit this year buying gold? And number 3, last but not least, why we are not going to go bankrupt by betting on gold this year. Let's go. Obviously, we all want to know that why gold could potentially go up 100% this year. But before that, we must answer the first question. Why on earth did it go up 70% last year? Number 1, Donald Trump. He's introducing tariffs left and right. With such uncertainties, money would naturally flow into gold, the traditional safe haven. Number 2, also Donald Trump, because he's pushing the Federal Reserve to reduce the interest rate. With interest rate going down, US dollar depreciates against other assets, for example gold. That means for the same amount of gold, we need more US dollar to buy. Hence the gold price goes up. Number 3, not just Trump, but all politicians around the world. Literally printing more money, because it's much easier to print money than to tell people to spend less. That means money are worth less and less. That, in other words, means you need more amount of money to buy the same amount of gold. So gold price goes up. Last but not least, also because of Trump, because he's pissing off China and Russia. Basically, with the sanction, Russia and China knows that they need to less rely on US dollar and buy more gold. That's why the gold price goes up a lot. Before we talk about why I think that gold price would go 100% in 2026, leave me in comments below with the word Trump if you believe that Trump is the reason why the gold price went up a lot. First, I will talk about why I think that gold price would go up in 2026, and then I will talk about why 100%. Number 1, Trump. Geopolitics is not getting any better in 2026. Starting with the Venezuelan president being abducted by the US to the US, and then Trump wants to annex Greenland from a NATO member. Everything is crazy now. Safe haven is gold. Definitely the price is going to go up. Number 2, Trump again. This time the interest rate is even more likely to go down, as he is going to appoint the new Federal Reserve chairman. Number 3, for all politicians, not just Trump, will continue to print money. For the reason I explained earlier, gold price would go up. Number 4, Trump again. China is continuing to buy more gold instead of US dollar, for the same reason I explained earlier. In short, the reasons why gold price went up 70% in 2025 gonna be turbocharged in 2026. Everything worse. So it's likely that gold price would go up. Okay, so why 100% increase in 1 year? Number 1, because of historical precedents. Number 2, because of technical analysis. There are recent examples of gold price shoot up more than 100% in 1 year. One of them went up 180% within 1 year. It was in 1979 to 1980. Guess what? The reason was Iran. The revolution in Iran and the oil shock. The other example is 1973 to 1974, which gold price went up 175% in 1.5 years because US dropped out of the gold standard. Given the revolution happening in Iran now and the drastic action taken by Trump in all sorts of things, it is totally possible in 2026 the shocks experienced by us would be comparable to 1979 or 1973. So gold price could go up more than 100%. From a technical analysis point of view, gold price also broke a decade-long resistance zone of around $2,000 per ounce to now more than doubled, more than $4,000 per ounce at the moment. The other technical indicators that I'm going to pay attention is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. In 1979 to 1980, it went up to 80. So if I see the trend towards 80, then definitely for me it's a signal to buy gold. The last question to answer: are we going to go bankrupt by buying gold now? What's the risk? The short answer is no. As long as you don't borrow money or put all your eggs in one basket, then it's fine. In the long term, gold, for the reasons I mentioned before, would continue to go up against US dollar. Of course, there might be some corrections within 1 or 2 years' time, but if you talk about 10 years' time, 20 years' time, it's definitely to go up compared to US dollar. To wrap it up, why do I think that I can make 100% profit by buying gold in 2026? The reason I think it's going to go up is because all the factors that pushes gold price go up in 2025 for more than 70% continues to exist and get even worse. Geopolitics get worse, interest rate most likely to go down in the US, and you have other factors, for example printing money, continue to print money, China and Russia continue to invest less in USD and more in gold. And of course with Iran, which is the classic example, gold price shot up 180% in 1 year in 1979, is again going through a revolution. From the technical analysis point of view, gold price breaks through a major resistance zone for more than 10 years, goes up more than double of the resistance zone to more than $4,000 per ounce. And if you look at the RSI closely, this could be a good indicator for us to see whether it will repeat what happened in 1979, which means gold price go up more than 100%. Do you think that gold price would go up 100%? Leave me in comments below. Subscribe now so that you can thank me in 1 year time. See you next time.